What innovation transformed the simple quill into powerful tool for expression and communication? So, welcome back Inventive Minds. Today, we are diving into the fascinating story of how ink and pen evolved from ancient tools to the modern instrument we use today. Stick around to discover some intriguing tales and the incredible journey of this everyday essential. The section 1 is about the ancient origin. Our journey begins in the ancient civilization around 3200 BCE. The Sumerians in Mesopotamia used reed styluses to make marks on clay tablet. These early writing tools predecessors to what would eventually come pen. Ancient Egyptians are credited with creating some of the earliest known inks using soot and other natural material mixed with water. Chinese inventor around the era 2697 before the start of Common Era. The Chinese were among the first to create ink from natural materials like soot, pine smoke and animal glue. Taddeo Aldrati in 13th century, an Italian physician and scholar who contributed to the development of better ink formulation in medieval Europe. Meanwhile, in ancient Egypt, around 3000 BCE, scribes used reed brushes dipped in ink made from soot and gum. Arabic to write and papyrus scrolls. This combination of brush and ink was an essential step towards the development of pens. The section 2 is about the birth of quill pen, and this was done by Roman from around 400 BCE to 300 BCE. Fast forward to 6th century and we find the quill pen gaining popularity. Made from bird feathers, quills were durable and allowed for precise writing. They became the primary writing instrument in Europe for over 1,000 years. In fact, the quill pen was so esteemed that even the signing of the United States Declaration of Independence in 1776 was done with quill. The section 3 is about the invention of metal nib. In early 19th century, the metal nib pen was invented. This new design featured a metal tip that was more durable and consistent than quills. By the 1820s, steel nibs became widely used, revolutionizing the way people wrote. The metal nib was game changer, offering smoother writing and greater longevity compared to its predecessors. Section 4 is about the fountain pen revolution. The next big leap came in late 19th century with the invention of fountain pen. Louis Waterman is often credited with creating the first practical fountain pen in 1884. His design featured a capillary feed system that ensured a steady flow of ink, making writing smoother and more reliable. Fountain pens became a symbol of sophistication and were quickly adopted by professionals and writers alike. The section 5 is about the ball point pen emerges. In fact, John J. Loud in 1888, an American inventor who patented first ballpoint pen, although it was not commercially successful. Enter the 20th century and the invention of the ballpoint pen was done. In 1938, Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro created a pen with a tiny rotating ball that allowed for even distribution of ink. His invention was breakthrough, providing a smoother, cleaner writing experience. During World War II, the ballpoint pen became popular among pilots because it worked well at high altitudes. By the 1950s, it had become the most popular writing instrument worldwide. Section 6: Modern Pens and Future Trends. Today, we have plethora of pen types, from gel pens to roller ball pens, each offering unique writing experiences. Innovations continue with eco-friendly materials and smart pens that digitize handwriting. The journey of ink and pen from ancient reeds to today's high-tech instrument is a testament to human ingenuity and continuous quest for better tools. And there you have it, the incredible evolution of ink and pen. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from the world of inventions. Until next time, keep inventing.